Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can change the background of your home screen in the Midori Web Browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So launch the Midori browser. Let me go on my desktop computer. And after that, select your workspace in the top left corner. And what you want to do next is, let me just navigate to that new tab, is as you can see, that's the current default background theme of that gradient color in the background. But you can customize that, of course, and you will need to access your browser settings for that. You can do that by clicking into that gear icon in the very bottom left, or by simply clicking into these three lines in the top right, and by selecting, let me find it, by selecting settings here. Next, guys, what you want to do is, here in your browser settings, is navigate to the home tab to the left. And from here, simply navigate to Midori Home Background. And what you want to do, guys, is select, for example, one of these options, like the gradient color we just saw here on the home screen. But as you can see, you can also choose an image. It means you can upload one from your device in JPEG or PNG file format, or alternately go for one of these options, for example, custom image, or which is basically the same as this one here, or disable the background entirely, guys. So choose one of these options. You also don't need to save anything here manually. Just select your option from that drop-down menu, and it is going to apply here it on the home screen. And that's it, guys. That's how you change the home screen background theme on Midori Web Browser. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.